Vele siyakhara.
Athi udume ngani waziwa
loyo
umuntu lo. Ubhizrani.
vele
Shifta baba.
Mamstobinapi.
Yeah.
Mamstobinapi.
Angimazi bayaphi la kuyona.
Kuvidiyo ngasegaraji ishaya iy'thombe nje yabona kumnandi lapho.
Dlala nangey'ngoma zakhe.
yipholo lishaye lo bhoti.
Ipholo libe nenkinga cause ipholo bona I don't know bele ngabona ukuthi thina nasi siza ngespeed sisibone i-robot zivulekile. So uma siza ngespeed nayo usuka le i-robot belisanda kubacimela lona zavele sashana kanjalo waduduleka esadudule izovele kufike elinye ichakula vele lamphosa le yarola kimi kahle kahle indizi cause ivele yanento uzashwebeka le ophosa kulomgaqo ngale lase yawaphansi
Kubuhlungu
Oh, lezi ndaba lezi zibuhlungu shema mfuni.
Yo, molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabe Entertainment guys, videos ke ezininzi ke zikaSicebi Dlamini. For those of you eningamaziyo, he was a multi-award winning Maskandi artist, was popularly known as Inkosi Yamagcokama. As Genesiva Gekwe video unfortunately passed on during a car crash. And so abantu abaninzi have been asking if zakhe bebuza kwenzekele ntoni, was he drunk, was he the one driving, ithini into, because we know sometimes entertainers, they tend to, you know, be under the influence, then end up be driver besiya kwamanye ama gigs or going back home while they are under the influence. So this is one of the fans, okay guys, as zambona, not only as Mbone during the accident, but even before accident, they were taking pictures at garage, taking content, kanti they were gonna be using the same direction while going home or going to the next gig, you guys. And if any ended up itata more video clips of imoto kaSicebi. Now guys, there is a whole lot of debate on social media because sayibona imoto undoba ihamba on both ends of the road. So some people are saying maybe he was drunk, but others are coming to his defense saying that at night, guys, it happens that because gotulekile and there is no oncoming traffic, sometimes you can drive on both sides of the road because gotulekile. Furthermore, uyatsho umntwana wabantu intoba irobots bezivulele yena uSicebi. So we can't say that it's because mhlawumbi he was drunk. Bezivulele yena. Yes, there are other people that are saying he looks so tired, he looks exhausted, bengamelanga adrive. Furthermore, some are saying you know, speed limit, it was on 140, bengamelanga adrive. But guys, it was at night and bekthulekile. And umntu eberongo ngulona o decide intoba mandishaye ama robots, thinking that uzokhava, kanti unfortunately bazovele badibane ke, you guys. So yeah, nazo ke indaba the horror. Yo guys, my heart is so painful. Umaskandi, guys, I must come out and expose myself. I don't listen to Umaskandi. Even amaculo kaSicebi, I would see them on TikTok, people doing challenges, and I didn't know, okay, this song belongs to this person, but my heart is literally so painful. I'm just thinking of, if the fans are literally this heartbroken, what about his wife? You know, his long-term lover, wife wakhe. Furthermore, he was still busy working on a project, Esaka, to which the fans are saying they are willing to do donations to assist in completing Leo project Leo Yogwaka. So yeah, guys, that would be the update of the hour. Artists are encouraged to at least have a driver each and every time behamba beya kwama gigs. We are not saying uSicebi was the wrong one in this equation, but he all the time because of the tiredness and kudala usebenza, artists are encouraged uba babe nomntu ozoba drivela. So yeah guys, thank you so much for joining me. Ndizonibona shortly.